push now.
Big and careless.
Bitch, I'm the bomb like tick, tick.
I'm the bad.
Bitch, I'm the bomb.
Like, share, and subscribe. Welcome back to my vlog, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for supporting 2022. Now we're in 2023, and I'm gonna tell y'all my word for this year. My word is gonna remain consistency. So if you're watching this vlog, you can tell me the word that you're gonna use to carry you through this year. Last year, my words were consistency, peace, and determination. And trust me, they work. I maybe should stick with both of them, but mainly the word is consistency. I'm a little stuffy, so I know it's a bit bad because I see the cheese over the holiday, I'm gonna leave it. So I'm doing a little bit better. So now I'm just waiting on taxis to come and pick me up. Then I'm gonna head out. Hope y'all enjoy this year, and I hope I enjoy too.
Sheila? Yeah, outside. But outside, mommy, I'm on YouTube.
Live?
Michael.
She's at YouTube. We're heading to the waterfront fireworks. That's so much clear. We're heading to waterfront to enjoy the moments of longing 2 years of fireworks.
Yeah, man, on the float, man, you know.
What is the float, Sheila?
What is the float? The
Never
float
tired
make a float.
float.
Yeah, the float make a float.
Natural
you know?
roots and herbs, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I vibe, man.
And the miserable one there, right? So.
Shut up.
Them already know still, they are your channels.
I'm not miserable. Baby, I'm tired.
I'm not gonna show me.
Outside. This is everybody outside. Look how they're walking at them full up. What your bad artist? I will get a hairstyle there. What's that? There you know.
Album YouTube channel, me see.
Artist man I like.
Shut up. Excuse. These people, what them did, lock up in them house? No, I must like them be locked up. Of course, we are early. I do for the vlog. When you say you go back clappers. Listen, people are the first way ever come here, so I'm never expect it to be so cool. Like, what go on here, so? People are the pan ground. You can't let Papi show you now. Signal the plane. You're not signal the plane. Featuring my cute bag. Featuring me don't know where I'm there.
Long time in a pull of clappers now.
My ears are, my ear too much, my ears are ring. You don't know if you're not.
You know me, I'm master.
not even half. Watch, but why look like it finished though? No, but it could have finished as so much people are trying to get parking.
Parking spot block off. Bumbo.
Like the people them outside for 2023. What is that one here? Man tired. So pick them up the people in business place. I turn in a parking spot. No wrong them mostly 5 bills apart. But even now what they right here, so which business they right here, so. And that tree we are go park in, babe. Right here, same thing? Like I'm outside, I'm not even have an eyelash, no little makeup. No. And this dress, we're not gonna see it back in February because
You're not wearing back in February.
I'm going to wear it because I did not take any pictures. And I was saying it's after 2. I'm gonna wear by the dress because it's cute and the bag cute and all of that. I'm gonna wear it back for my friend's birthday on my ear, do my makeup and look at me what God left me. Let me tell you something, I'm not go anywhere with you again because me push it up the stairs, you know. Imagine I'm sick as hell, hungry, I'm there. Wanna? Wow. You're what you're mocking me. It's not funny, like I feel horrible. Like I feel horrible.
It's not funny, I feel horrible.
Nah, bring it on nowhere again.
I see one sign like Sinus Center. I think I need to visit there because then I get me know what cause it the bag of cheese them when I did not eat one day.
And you're weak.
I'm not tired.
No, you're just weak. You're not in the protein.
I'm not tired.
This is what you call a modest life. Yeah, roll some Burger King, you know. Brother, till I say you can't hang in. Watcha. Yeah, wait. See, Brie. You active? What you want?
Leave me alone now. I order my breakfast food for the menu.
Modest life, say modest life.
No, because when I live the modest life.
Yeah, man, we're outside for 2023, man, rich forever.
Forever and ever.
To the adults that are watching this, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna say an expletive. Yeah, I promote health and fitness and every day come on camera and burger and something. Glad me not eat none.
Well, at least I drink orange juice. At least me a workout. Them a workout. Me a
workout? When last time workout?
When I workout in 2 weeks because me
2 weeks where?
I didn't feel good.
I want to hold about 2 months and a day in a workout.
No. Remember say in November I did feel sick. And when I feel better I did start workout. But no worry. It's when I eat the gym, it not tap you so. You're being mean to me. But they'll give 4 juice. This is for me. My mouth. It's orange juice. And it's what time? Probably 5 o'clock. Fearless.
5 o'clock, modest life.
Sleep at kill way. Sleep. Like every minute I feel my ear lock. I have to say, hey, I have to say something to you. But listen, the road is I show them.
Yeah, show them know when they say empty.
Well, right here say empty now, but suppose you see the road.
And at 5 o'clock.
And after 5 in the morning. Oh God. No sir, this don't look good. Watch there. Where people are go?
Brother, you saying ready for the soup?
No, I'm tell you.
You have to talk to soup if you know, because soup so done. One?
Home batch.
This good?
Great morning. Anyways, I'm into this new thing where in the mornings, instead of, me, I listen to one bag of music, I listen to podcast. I normally just listen at night time. Now I'm going to do it in the mornings. And like, I stumble upon this podcast. And it's so good. She brought up a topic and she was saying, even a while ago, the episode, and she was saying that you can't love yourself first. You have to love God first, and God will show you how to love yourself. And I'm like, that's deep. And one thing I realized, you don't have to always agree with these people on podcasts or, social media people. But you can just keep an open mind and keep what they must say into consideration, because God, guys, I don't have a tripod stand. I feel with my hand. My hand them very weak. So if you don't see me a switch, so y'all know what time it is. Anyway, and she was also saying, a lot of times we make social media tell us, oh, I'm be a stay-at-home mom or whatever. But she say, stay-at-home mom, me not talk about the stay-at-home mom, them have them business and things going on. I talk about the one them we solely depend on the man them, right? Them one day we are talk about. Them one day. We say, when you have a stay-at-home mom, right? The husband lose him work. You now have an investment after 12 years of just having kids, just throwing around your eggs. What happened to you? God forgive me for that. But I'm gonna introduce you all to the podcast that I've been listening. Like, I don't know if you listen to Ashley Lake Slay Girl say she is the shit. And this new one, I think her name is Breeny Lee. And it's called Pep Talk Podcast. I love it. I absolutely love it. But guys, I'm heading to the chiropractor again today because can you all imagine, after I go to the chiropractor, spend my money like 3 days after, so I'm drop down my stairs, I'm gonna drop on my back, and my hurt. I feel like I feel like a pain in my neck, weird, and my back start hurt me again. My ankle, the Andy bruise up, but it's kind of going away, thanks be to God. So now I think I'm gonna wrap my natural hair until my birthday, because when I look, the wig, the little girl that do me hair, she did glue down the wig cap. So when I was removing that, people, I gotta show them the video. But yes, so now I'm just gonna go and listen to my podcast. I gotta brush back my teeth. Nails them. These are so cute. So yeah, I gotta brush back my teeth. Just try a little makeup. Legit 4 items I gotta use. Guys, wanna see that primer, yeah? And then I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna go. It's 10:22. I wanna leave at 11 o'clock. Let's see how good I can do that. And Happy New Year! So listen, I'm ready. And I'll show y'all my outfit soon. Watch me in my Versace top. Listen, I'm tired of my ear. That stress me. Stress me out. I'm in half a tree. Stop now?
Don't play it, eh?
Brother, we are on the road. Stop. Mind your burst.
Don't forget feeling.
When this too full, remember lunchtime?
Exactly.
We're heading to Starbucks. What time now? About 1:20 now. We have 25 minutes to reach where we are going. Hey, look. Watch there. Hey. Can't know where them not used to nothing. Inside the Starbucks bitter. Like coffee not bitter. Coffee is bitter. Okay, so we reached the chiropractor and he make us late. Why we not that late still?
5 minutes late.
I don't know, 5 minutes or 7. Yeah, what slow? Remember when we leave, you have to take my picture here? One thing, my bag I got full of one only per bag. Watch it. Aye. Listen, I'm not telling you Wednesday, because you have a mean. So guess what? The doctor said I can go to the gym. Watch puppy. I can go to the gym. So gym Monday. But guess what? I have to keep up with the appointment. No, but we're telling him to drop down the stairs. Hear him now. Jesus Christ. Him say Jesus Christ and him say lay down by your belly. Him say nothing really bad, but you know, like an after effect. My neck. No, on the road so will come. I feel like every time I come on the road I only buy mint cuisine. Y'all need to give me some food spots to try. So I'm buy my regular noodles, sweet and sour chicken steak. My neck. No sir. You just ask me why I pull it now you want.
That's the point.
You love your belly too much, man. Get a hold of yourself as a man.
Feed me if you have to.
As a man, get a hold of yourself. You always say as a man.
How much for this?
This is 7.5. Double rolls. Seeing the roll 7.
So you say you sell them one for 3.5, right?
Yeah, right now this.
So how much for this?
Me now we sell them for 253, but me now.
Oh, that's how you have a full land. Yeah.
Yep, eat me down, sir. Brother, what the hell? Imagine in one taxi and the taxi driver come and I push in pole. Pole, you know. Watch ya.
Cheaper than better.
The ghetto. This is Dunkirk. The ghetto.
Staying out.
This.
Your boss.
Woo! People may drive on its wall.
You nervous?
No, you know, I'm not nervous.
Take off your indicator. Focus on the road.
You know, so I'm not nervous. I feel
Remember
like
the line the moment you level.
I feel like the more I'm on the road, oh, you have to do that. You hear me complain about my nail.
What's that?
You hear me? My mother like them, yeah.
You sure your mother like it?
Go on now.
Which one you buy?
What you talking about?
What else you buy?
Which bulla you look for?
Blood clot ginger bulla, 2 big ginger bulla in your back. Your brother, how you?
Stop.
Oh, we never hear more than.
Stop.
Video me. Come on, I'm video. This is Jim Supermarket. But we never get to buy no fruit. We don't want a tea bag, we have tea bag. Push now?
Big and careless. Faster.
Come at me follow. Sports drink of champion. And we got our almond milk. We're only buying cases. Finger. People, look at the ghetto. Look at it. Only buy one time. It's too sweet. You want to bust on a gym? You're big.
Yogurt.
Oh yeah, we have the yogurt and pasta.
Mommy a trainer.
Yeah?
Mommy a trainer.
Me and your tray what?
I'm a trainer.
And what?
You can't bring me from killing another.
Kill me in a bit.
At the gym.
But it don't make sense because them say you can't out train bad eating. So me eat bad, we just move past it. What's the problem? Think you're looking like a snack. Hey, who are you?
I got a one.
Energy. Which little one?
Right.
No.
Are you a YouTuber, man?
Or. I feel like I'm always like. I feel like I always eat fast food. Since you come here, you're a bad influence. Come in, I'm gonna make the salmon. Don't like it, huh? Here.
But look how many yogurt, I don't know about you.
And you're fresh, everything.
Not with salt. I said she give me fresh soup. I said she give me fresh soup.
Danny, are you by chocolate maybe?
No, I said no.
It's you.
Tashna's daddy go to the shop.
Weeping our money, not national teeth, so come on, you know.
I am alone, I go weeping now. I'm not weeping nobody. Not suffer with nobody. But we have to just like him go buy it for
You
real.
can't believe mommy gave 3 pieces of chicken and give me 1 piece.
I hear my dad now, man.
Actually, no, the extra. I'm not going to eat it.
KFC are spicy.
But we are eating.
Sometimes we need spicy for wash out our body. You know me not like how you're hungry belly?
You do a biscuit and something like that.
I'm sorry.
We took you in a area, eh?
I'm just ambitious.
Somebody I am start like biscuits. Guys, them say let's do a mukbang. Don't you have to talk in the background if you don't want to come on the camera.
I'm so funny. I'm better than you. I'm better fish to fry.
No, usual.
We have food to come back for. She look
But
through.
you make it clear.
She looked through her shop window and said we are coming up with the camera. People, let me tell you something. Like this, stop now?
So you go say the original leg.
Yeah.
But do not see it as a 3-piece. But original.
Yes,
When you said leg, seriously?
you see that? We can't eat it.
But leg Tashna.
You see ribbon, the tie and all of them something, we can't eat it. Have to be original leg.
I suppose that'll be nice.
The nice though, everybody, you're not getting them, I'm telling you.
You know when I said curry,
You know when?
I swear to the curry chicken and it boiled.
Mayonnaise and curry and vinegar.
Now on Sunday when we make mutton, or so, and she carry the first one.
Or you mix it up in your rice. That you
Yeah.
In your rice, not with curry.
No, curry especially.
We mix it up in the rice and peas.
Of course, that.
Yeah.
And it bad. You know, so we not grow with them.
But like same tone good man, I swear.
I was thinking there, and I'm going to see her. From there, I'm going to talk to her.
Skin fully skin out.
You know, so she had drive on the right side of the road.
That's not true. I just did some turn out. You take
So
some
we
extra.
tell her out there. We are come out at 10 spot then. She turned too wide and go back on the next step. Clara comes to go. So besides to get that way there, we have to make big U-turn in the middle of the road.
What did you say? What did you say when you said?
So just said, Jesus, you couldn't tell me 2 blind box in the car. Only if you tell her before she turned.
Wait, so she had turned on the wrong side of the road?
Remember, she used to. A long time
I remember say out of Kensington. You must turn, if you turn too wide, you have to reach from the opposite side where I go. Or I come. Georgia God.
The girl said, then you get something for her, Jack?
already with you.
Wait, she had brushed them go from A plus to A minus?
Yeah. You don't know that this is something in primary school.
Put the camera on.
That left from capital to common. Move back to them plastic.
What
Capital one. Oh? To come on, oh. I'm going to write down this person tomorrow. Funny about it.
I'm going to miss it. You have to be careful with you, because girl, imagine. If I remember on the breast, I'll be a chest.
Will you show us some warm breast?
So I look like Vertica.
Will you show us some warm breast?
No, you're not good.
Just to say that. So we have to pour. We have to pour.
I'll go cool.
Where have you? I don't know.
Remember when you should be on
We have power over Tashna.
I'm never release if I don't know.
The release one? I want to know. I don't need to get practice one.
Somewhere she have 100,000.